Welcome guys, welcome to a new vlog. So today I am here at Malika Arjun Sri Salam Temple at Andhra Pradesh, which is somewhere around 250 to 270 kilometer from Hyderabad, Telangana. And it is one of the 12th Jyotirling, one of the 12 Jyotirling of Lord Shiva is situated in this Malika Arjun Temple. And along with the Jyotirling, we have one Sakti Peeth also, Brahmaramba, which is the 52nd Sakti Peeth of Ma Durga and her all avatars. So it's one of the crowded place, especially on weekend, because it's one of the Jyotirling along with the Sakti Peeth, and you can see how the crowd is over the weekend. So actually we drove from Hyderabad and came here after driving around 250 to 270 kilometers. And this place is so crowded. Actually, the cameras were not allowed inside the temple, so I couldn't take a picture or a videography of the temple from inside view, but I can show you that how you can reach out to this temple, which is located at Sri Salam at Andhra Pradesh. So basically three pricings of tickets they have kept: 150, 300 and 500 for darshan to the Jyotirling and the Sakti Peeth. Also there is a free darshan queue also, but if you don't want to go with a long queue, we can go with this ticket system, which will actually bypass the long queuing. The temple is situated here at Sri Salam, and this temple is actually maintained by Andhra Pradesh government. And the evidence of this temple is from 2nd century, and after that so many kingdoms came, and those kingdoms actually built few of the things outside the temple, but it's one of the Jyotirling from thousands of years, and people and devotees comes here to have the religious faith on their God, their Lord. So this is one of the best part of India where you can actually have all the faith and devotes to your Lord, or whoever you feel and whoever you actually give a respect. So I'll show you. So basically this is a exit line. So whenever you have a ticket, you will bypass by this line and you will be directly landed to the temple for both Jyotirling and Sakti Peeth. So since both Jyotirling and Sakti Peeth are all together here, so most of the devotees comes to have a darshan of both Sakti Peeth and Brahmaramba Sakti Peeth and Jyotirling of Malika Arjun. So I can show you the back portion of the temple, because the mobile phones are not allowed and videos we cannot take from any cameras, so those are completely restricted. But I can show you from the outside view how the temple looks. It is similar to the Jyotirling of any Lord Shiva Jyotirling. Last year I have covered Trambakeshwar in Maharashtra, which is having a three lords combination: Lord Vishnu, Shiv and Brahma. So you can see how beautiful this temple looks, and the inside view is also so beautiful. And they have a different queue of line where you can have a darshan to Lord Shiva. And once you are out of this Mallikarjun temple, you can have a view, you can have a darshan of Sakti Peeth, that is Brahmaramba Sakti Peeth. So that is just outside this temple, and it has a large area actually, and it's a beautiful place, guys. Basically around 250 to 300 kilometers from Hyderabad, and you can drive and come. The only thing which one need to keep in the mind that there is a wild forest area in between, which is around 20 to 30 kilometers, and we need to pass that wild sanctuary forest area before 8 p.m. because they have certain restriction on the wildlife, and you cannot cross that area after 8, and again they open in the morning at 6. So we have to plan in such a way, either we want to stay here for a day or maybe couple of days, or if you want to return on the same day, then you have to start your journey by early morning, so that at least you cross that area which is having a restriction of 8 p.m. in the night and in the morning 6 a.m. But recently I heard that they have prolonged the time to 9 p.m. but I'm not pretty sure, so we will try to cover that area before that. So I'll show from the back portion how beautiful this looks like. You can have prasads and everything. So beautiful, guys. Even weather is so moderate today. It's so beautiful. I'll capture the back portion of the temple because the videography is not allowed. It's Brahmaramba Sakti Peeth temple, and it's a beautiful temple. It's a beautiful campus, guys, in Sri Salem, Andhra Pradesh, and which is maintained by Andhra Pradesh government, and it's really beautiful, and they have all the facility for the devotees who can come here and have their faiths, and they can devote to the God. So all sort of facility they kept it here, and this is really a beautiful place for worship for both Jyotirling and Maharamba Sakti Peeth. So one should must visit if he or she is in Hyderabad or somewhere nearby in Andhra Pradesh. So it's one of the 12 Jyotirling among the 12 Jyotirling, and if you want to come here, you should definitely come and visit this temple. Thank you so much, guys. We'll meet in a new video with a new content. Bye bye for now. Keep liking, keep subscribing, and keep enjoying your life. Bye bye. Thanks a lot.